And this morning, something to smile about, pick and drop challenge. The aim is to get all of our cones into the basket over there so. However, we have to do this with our eyes closed. I don't trust Neferil. Can somebody blindfold him?
How me getting that? Why you don't trust me? And you trust me earlier ago, you know, you trust me. So stop it, you trust me. All right, so we're just supposed to close our eyes and go over there. Now the only way this can work is if when we close our eyes, Clive, when we move it. I don't trust Clive. All right, we ready? Close your eyes. All right, close your eyes.
From the gate?
Yeah.
Before we pick up the cone?
Yeah.
And who move the cone? Ready? You're going ahead of me, I will never say go.
This is...
wicked. Hello.
Okay then. Did I have to close my eye, go back over there?
Yes.
Jeez, why am I so far? I feel like a... Soldier, I need your help.
What?
Neferil? Are you okay, Frenny?
No, go straight.
No, soldier, I help you.
Where am I in the bush?
Then.
Forward. Yes. Go on.
I was into the
So
nearby...
Clive, you not help me here, soldier,
I was in the
help her.
nearby bushes.
No help.
My back, Jody lick up my back from this morning. Jeez, I'm crammed. I'm going.
That doesn't sound like it dropping or something. So do you think when I joke this man said me done with you?
This not bad. Oh,
Wait. Let me reach us.
no, wait. That's the wall, is it not?
Somebody move something.
Who's laughing? Oh! Accident, get out of the way.
Somebody move
But
something.
you are up and Palm my road today. Hey,
Go way up, Phil. You up to left.
brother.
No.
This is nerves?
Somebody move it, man. Oh, me end up over here so again.
Yeah.
Where?
I feel like some sabotage. Oh, my back, Jody. You're gonna pay my chiropractor bill.
Oh, I find it.
I feel like y'all are sabotaging us. Joe, what stuff moved? Wanna move with things, you know? You know?
Oh,
The whole of the floor is giving us instructions.
let me just touch it away. No, wait, down. Me just touch it away.
Because you didn't move them. My cones were right here.
Wow. So me find it.
Oh, you put it in mine? Thanks, Nev. Somebody move my stuff. Nev, you're having some issues down there, man. Did Nev just get all of them in? Did he?
You don't tell the same way I move them. Watch out. Watch out.
I don't know what happened.
Why you come like that?
No, watch here. I told you when I move them, you know. And you hear me talk about, no, I'm not going to do that.
Move, man. Anyway, you did a good job despite. How many times did you move it, Clive?
Well, a while ago, every time I take up them, say, wrong cone. The amount of cone. How much you take up?
They move the cones to Joe and
Yeah.
the basket.
Yeah, move the cone too.
The only person smiling and there's something to smile about is you.
Good job, good job.
Thumping down the corner. Bring them down. I'm not sure, my God. You have to stop. foolishness and do your work.
Between me and you, me win still.
Yeah. Never.
Depending on how you define winning, because I'm really enjoying what I'm doing right now.
All right, so we head to the woodwork shop to make a handcrafted stool. This should be fun. Soon come.